Hello guys, welcome to TvsTreeTechnologies. If you are watching this channel for first time, please do subscribe this channel to get latest updates when we post new videos. Also please like and share the videos if you wish to support us to create more videos. In today's session, we will go through Linux operating system. We will cover the differences between Linux and Windows operating system. Let's get into the overview of that. Okay. Linux is one type of operating system like Windows. Suppose you are using the laptop and if you want to interact with your laptop, you need one operating system. So what operating system basically you are using? You are using Windows operating system. So similarly, in order to work with the Linux, you need Linux operating system, right? So it is a command line interface, that is we have to use the commands in order to interact with the Linux operating system. Suppose if you want to work with the Windows operating system, right, how you are working? Suppose if I want to move from one folder to another folder, how we are moving? By using the arrows from your keypad. And if you wish to create any folder or file, you will just do right click on new, and you will just click on folder and you will give the folder name. So it will create you the folder. And if you want to delete it, you can delete it, right, just by clicking the delete button, or if you do right click and you can delete it. So this Windows operating system is user friendly. You don't need any commands in order to interact with your Windows operating system. But when it comes to Linux, everything you have to work with the commands only. Suppose if you want to move from one folder to another folder, and if you want to list all the files or folders under the directory or folder structure, everything it has to work with the commands only. That is the major difference between Linux and the Windows operating system. So we will see what are all the different versions of Linux we do have. So these are all different versions we do have for Linux. Even we do have few more also, but here I have listed only few, like Red Hat, Kali, Slackware, Ubuntu, Fedora, Solaris. So these are all the different versions of Linux operating system. Similarly, even we do have different versions for Windows also, like Windows 2012, Windows 2016, like that. This is the basic overview of Linux and Windows operating system and what are all the different versions of Linux we do have. In the next session, we will see which software need to install to work with the Linux, and we will see even the Linux commands also. Okay. So if you feel this video is useful, please do subscribe and share to your friends to support us for creating more videos. Thank you.